Welcome back to me, the one and only Karina Rico. My fabulous peeps. Back to our channel, my God. What can I say? But this dress. This dress. Can we say fabulous, my darlings? It's just fabulous. Now, let us explore all aspects of personal relationships and self-improvement. In today's video, we'll be diving into a topic that many people are curious about: what it takes to be good in bed. Whether you're looking to enhance your own skills or improve your intimate connection with your partner, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in and discover 10 key factors that contribute to being good in bed. Reason number 1 is communication. Open and honest communication is essential for a fulfilling sexual experience. It's important to express your desires, listen to your partner's needs, and establish boundaries to create a safe and enjoyable environment. Reason number 2 is active consent. Consent is crucial in any intimate encounter. Always ensure that you and your partner have given clear and enthusiastic consent, respecting each other's boundaries and desires throughout the experience. Reason number 3 is confidence. Confidence in yourself and your abilities can greatly enhance your sexual experience. Embrace your body, be comfortable with your desires, and have confidence in expressing your sexuality. Reason number 4 is knowledge. Educating yourself about sexual health, anatomy, and different techniques can help you become more skilled and informed in the bedroom. Learning about your own body and that of your partner can lead to increased pleasure and satisfaction. Reason number 5 is attentiveness. Paying attention to your partner's responses, cues, and body language is key to being a great lover. Being attuned to their needs and desires allows you to tailor the experience and create a more pleasurable connection. Reason number 6 is experimentation. Being open to trying new things and exploring different sexual experiences can add excitement and novelty to your intimate encounters. It's about being adventurous and willing to step outside of your comfort zone with your partner. Reason number 7 is patience. Taking the time to build anticipation, engage in foreplay, and explore each other's bodies without rushing can greatly enhance the overall experience. Remember, good things come to those who wait. Reason number 8 is mutual pleasure. A fulfilling sexual experience is about both partners experiencing pleasure and satisfaction. Focus on mutual pleasure by exploring each other's desires, finding a rhythm that works for both of you, and embracing the pleasure of giving and receiving. Reason number 9 is emotional connection. Building a strong emotional connection with your partner can deepen intimacy and create a more fulfilling sexual experience. Prioritize emotional connection through trust, vulnerability, and open communication outside of the bedroom. Lastly, reason number 10 is ongoing growth. Great lovers understand that sexual experiences evolve and grow over time. Embrace the journey of learning, exploring, and adapting together with your partner, continuously striving for new ways to bring pleasure and connection into your lives.